If you have Irish curls or poofy hair, but it's a little wavy, it's a little curly, you need to try this product. This has replaced any curling mousse, cream, gel, anything that's been sold to me that like creates a cast on my hair and makes it look crunchy. This is a Color Wow Dream Coat Curl Spray, and getting your natural curls and waves coming out could not be any easier. You get out of the shower, you spray this in your hair, you do not touch your hair after you spray it, and you let it air dry, and that's it. Typically, my hair dries very poofy and wavy, and take a look at how defined my curls and waves are now. Okay, and here's my hair a couple hours after it has totally dried. As you can see under here, I have ringlets. And the top is still a little wavy, a little curly, but let me show you what my hair looks like when I don't use Color Wow, when I just let my hair naturally air dry. So as you can see here, my hair dries naturally very poofy and my curls and waves aren't defined. And what I like about this Color Wow product the best is that my hair is soft, it's not crunchy, there's no cast to break, it's lightweight, it doesn't smell like anything. And so my hair just looks naturally just like healthy.